Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Usambon Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong habaya keren markinong thok hubor halor ka Jingïarap Pynthut jong Nongtrei bapher ulaong banakalyang ka sarkar kalabtha yaki board district banpet bagino ki Jingïarap ki Pynthut kinam jia kinogino ki jaka kiba ka Nongtrei kadangya ulaong ru ba amdon ki balaban kta ni Pynthut yaki Nongtrei namar kani ka den ka benta ka Jingmynjur jong ki panba ka jilla lada ka Pynthut kami ngidei mangi ki banduk nong ulap tharu iki company bakin le yaki labor license pat baro ki Nongtrei ki dei bandon khnang bakin lan ne ki no ki Jingïarap ulaong bangidei ban but yaka an ne ka benta ka Jingmynjur jong ki nong Bylla namar ki don ki Jingïarap kiba ka don ki Jingïarap takti jong ki Nongtrei Henry lada ki Nongtrei ki but renti ka sarkar kala ban shim ni ki senjam kiba lada ka don kano ko Jingïarap takti jong ki Nongtrei.
Well, see, about this issue I'm telling you, I made it very clearly to be it to the company, the construction company, or be it to Dy.Cm. Any issue or any disturbances or any kind of hindrances that you have, please immediately inform to the district administration. We will take care and will make sure that such hindrances does not occur again, or it should not happen, because this project, it is at the interest of the public in the state of Bylla. Then I have already given the instruction to all the district administration, be firm, do it, any incident, any kind of disturbances, as I said to you, especially at site, in those places, in those projects which is undertaken, please make sure that safety, security of the laborers is intact. Nobody can touch them. But at the same time, we also have our state act. I would request the construction companies, see, like labor license. Previously, labor license was issued by the district council, but now it is being issued by the labor department itself, and we are allowed them to do online, and within 2-3 days you get the license. I would request the contractors or the construction companies, please make sure we allow laborers from outside, but at least make sure that the labor license is given to all the laborers, because see, we have to strictly follow the act, because this act is also for the safety of the laborers. So they need to do it, because this license, once issued, it is binding by the act, the rules which we have already passed in the assembly, and in the event of maybe somebody went to the temporary camp, some miscreants attack the laborers, then government can easily take action accordingly.
Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020. Has the government, especially when such kind of important projects being implemented, inform the companies in advance along with this act so that they can apply the whatever license required? Whether the government has informed them in advance or not?
Yes, it is already, because see, when the tender process started, be it an HITCL or be it the government of India or be it central governments or be it the state government, first of all we need to see what are the conditions to be inserted in the documents or in the tender documents. Then accordingly they mention in the para 1 or 2 whatever, that while doing so, while participating in the tender, these are required. If you become successful, these are required. So it was there. For sure it was there, and I'm very sure even the companies, construction companies. They are aware about it. But sometimes the problem is, out of sight, or maybe just because of negligences, they fail to attain this license.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke jelaba Preston Tensong habu juba pat ya ke jingkeli halor ke jingdon jong kikin hon ki ba krong pisa na ki dukan ulaong ngimla ban lej pan Jingïarap lada kimyo ya ke jingbit na ke deputy commissioner bat ki superintendent of police ki de ban pet hagabe de bat keni ula ban rap ru de ka ba ong bamla ban sulej pan pisa klem ke jingbit ki don ki an ki bangi haban but la ka de na ka no kuno ke kin hon ru Badar ki yo ka Jingmynjur na ki bor badai pen kin sala ban pan Jingïarap.
Instructed the district administration again, because this one it is the whole responsibility of the district administration. The DC, the SP has to take care of this, and I'm very sure even official notification has come out that because it is legal unless you get the permission from the deputy commissioner. You cannot just go and collect donation in the form of donation, whether a group or person, whether a person or whether an NGOs or whatever. You can't. There is a prescribed norm where you cannot just do like that blindly. You have to get the permission. Then only you can do with the issue the receipt, and you can even approach the concerned whoever, maybe business houses or whatever.